Hi guys, I'm going to give you a little tour of my refrigerator and freezer situation today. And check out my pantries. So we don't have much. We're between Costco runs. But what we do have is some rice, a little bit of pork, some pitted dates, the remains of a bottle of hot sauce from Belize, and as always, our big basket of random spices. We'll see what we can make out of that. All right, here we've got all of our ingredients assembled. We've got onions, we've got chopped up dates, we've got some pork. We have a mix of star anise, cloves, and these weird capers that I'm told are for rice. We've got a mixture of salt and MSG here. We have this incredible smoked habanero hot sauce. And then to contribute to the cooking liquid, we have the remainder of the whey from my latest cheese making enterprise that I have frozen in ice cube trays. And then we've got one ingredient that almost counts as cheating for a scavenging video. Saffron. Before I moved here, I grabbed my parents' saffron out of their spice drawer that they got at Costco because it was such a good deal that they didn't use it for 5 years. So it's mine now. I'm gonna throw all this stuff together and give you a look at it when it's in the pan. And of course, never forget to bloom your saffron, brown your pork, sweat your onions, and saute your spices. All right, now we've got everything to a boil, and it's in with the saffron. I think chefs would strain it, but I'm not gonna bother. I am no chef. I couldn't even get the recipe for this sauce. It is an unlabeled chef's creation of Blancno Lodge in Belize. Smoked habaneros, papayas, lime. I was only able to tickle a couple of secrets out of the waiter. I shouldn't have said tickle. I don't mean tickle. I was able to tease a couple of secrets out of one of the waiters. Anyway, now we've got our hot sauce and our saffron in. Give that a stir. Then in with 2 cups of enriched rice, cheapest Costco had to offer. 2 cups of that. Give it a stir. Oh my gosh, it smells like pork and smoky sauce. Put the lid back on that, let it come up to a simmer, and let it sit for 15 minutes. It's all done. Here we go. Can I get a plate? Check it out. And that's dinner.